Hi guys, welcome. Today we'll be looking at the process of generating no objection certificate from NCRB. NCRB NOC is required if you are selling your vehicle or if you are migrating your vehicle from one state to another. The process of generating an NOC from NCRB is very simple. You don't have to visit the NCRB office for the same. You can generate the NOC from NCRB using the computer at home, and it takes less than 60 seconds. Let's look at the process and see how we can generate the NCRB NOC. On your computer, open your web browser. Now go to the website of NCRB at www.ncrb.gov.in. Once you're on the NCRB website, click on English to change the language of the website to English. Now on the website, click on Citizen Services. Under the Citizen Services, click on Generate Vehicle NOC. A new page opens up. On the Generate Vehicle NOC page, click on the link which says Click Here. Click OK on the prompt that says this link will take you to an external website. On the new page, you will see a Citizen's Login section. Enter your mobile number and click on Send OTP. You will receive the OTP on the mobile number that you have entered. Enter the OTP, your name and the captcha code as shown on the page and click Login. Once you have logged in, click on Generate Vehicle NOC. A new page opens up. On this page, select the vehicle type, enter the registration number, the chassis number and the engine number and click on Submit. The no objection certificate from NCRB will be downloaded onto your computer. You can use this no objection certificate for all RTO related purposes.